Hello students, welcome to Hindavi Garjana English Medium School Avashi, Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. We are on the topic number 5, Understanding Time. Student, time has three parts. What have gone by the past, what is going on now is the present, and what is yet to come is the future. Today is Monday. The word today show the present time. For example, tomorrow is my birthday. The word tomorrow shows the future. Next, yesterday, Granny told me a story. The word yesterday shown the past. Time can be understood using means such as calendars, school timetables, etc. Do you know, student? A statue, coins, shard of pottery. It is important to understand time for studying history. Sometimes old statues, coins, shards of pottery, etc. are found while digging the foundation of a building. These things are studied carefully. Through these studies, we come to know about the period of time to which they belong. Use your brain power. Today's newspaper become old tomorrow. But if we cannot remember a particular fact, we search through old newspaper to find the information we need. This means that today's newspaper will tomorrow become an important means of getting to know history. Can you tell how do we measure time? To understand time, we divide it into second, minutes, hour, day and night, fortnight, month, year. In this way, time can be measured. Water, clocks and calendar and instrument of measuring time. This is a water clock, an hourglass, and this is a calendar. Understood? Do you know, student, if the 14th century, the hourglass come into use in Europe. It consisted of two connected glass vessels fitted in the wooden frame. Dry fine sand was poured one of the vessel. The connecting hole between the vessel allowed the sand in the top vessel to fall into the lower vessel. The hourglass was constructed in such a way that it took 1 hour for all the sound to fall from one vessel into the other. The clock was turned over as soon as all the sand had fallen into the lower vessel. This how a period of 1 hour was measured. These clocks were used in India too. This is our glass. They use in Europe. Understood? Can you tell why do we make partitions of time in the different ways? For convenience of everyday work, time is divided in different ways. For example, while using words like now, a while ago, in a while, or today, yesterday and tomorrow, we are unknowingly measure time in our mind. Understood? Then student, What we have learned for convenience of day-to-day work, time is split into parts. When we use word like right now, in a while or later, we unknowingly measure time in our mind. Next, what we have learned, time is measured by using instruments such as a clock, calendar and school timetables. Time is divided into parts such as second, minute, hour, day and night or week, fortnight, month and year. We get an understanding of time through historical building or old objects like coin, statues or shard of pottery found in an area. They help us to understand the history of that place. Student, all student knows clock, more types of clock, a water clock, a sand clock. Understood? प्रत्येकाच्या घरामध्ये घड्याळ असतो ना, सगळ्यांच्या घरी घड्याळ असतो. तर काही मुलांना घड्याळ कळतो तर काही मुलांना नाही कळत. ओके, पहिल्या काळात लोक काय करायचे, त्यांच्याकडे घड्याळ थोडी नव्हता. मध्ये काय करायचे, सकाळ झाले की काय म्हणायचे, हा बाबा सकाळ झाली, आता वाजले किती, 8 वाजले. एक काहीतरी असं असायचं की त्यांच्याकडून समजायचे आता 8 वाजलेत, 9 वाजलेत, 10 वाजलेत, थोडी दुपार झाली, सूर्य डोक्यावर आला की समजायचं 12 वाजलेत. नंतर थोडंसं संध्याकाळ झाली की 5 वाजलेत, 6 वाजलेत, सूर्य मावळायला लागला की 7 वाजलेत, थोडा अंधार झाला की 8, 9, 10 अँड सो ऑन. ओके, आणि त्याच्या अगोदर काय करायचे, अवर ग्लास म्हणजे 1 तासाचा जो ग्लास असायचा, सँड ग्लास. पहिल्या सँड वरती असायची आणि बरोबर 1 तासाने ती सँड खाली यायची, खालच्या बाजूला इकडे. हे दिसते, हा अवर ग्लास आहे. पहिली सँड वरती असते. आता 1 तास संपला, असं खाली पडत ती खाली येते. 1 तास संपला ही वरच्या भागातली सँड पूर्ण रिकामी होते. म्हणजे खाली समजायचं, हा बाबा 1 तास झाला. 1 तास झाला की तो असा आहे, तो परत उलटा करायचा आणि पुन्हा दुसरा तास चालू होतो. ओके, कॅलेंडर, सगळ्यांना कॅलेंडर तर माहीत आहे. हा वॉटर क्लॉक आहे. पहिलं काय होतं, हा 1 तासाचा असतो, 2 तासाचा असतो. आपण जेवढा अरेंज करू तेवढ्या तासाचा असतो. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 1 तासाचाच हे असतो, क्लॉक असतो. एक डिश ठेवायची, डिश वरती असते 1 तासाभराने, पण ती आता नाही मिळणार. तुम्ही आता घरात जाऊन कराल तर नाही तसं होणार. ते पूर्वीच्या काळात तसं होतं. एक खाली पॉट असतो, वरती एक डिश असते, 1 तासाभराने ते डिश खाली पडते, म्हणजे 1 तास झाला. नेक्स्ट पुन्हा डिश वरती ठेवायची, सेम. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टँड टायमिंग. हा लेसन तुम्हाला समजला आहे ना? ओके, देन थँक यू.